Consider a problem given here. In this problem, we are going to draw both receiving end circle diagram and sending end circle diagram. First, convert the given receiving end power into a megawatt. For that, the receiving end power is given as 60 MVA and power factor is 0.8. From this, the formula is receiving end power equal to MVA into power factor. So 60 into 0.8, we are getting 48 megawatt. The given receiving end line voltage is 132. We are converting it into a phase voltage. We get 76.2 kV. Then we are going to calculate the current value by substituting all the values in the current equation. We are getting the current value as 262.43 amperes. So in this problem, given that A equal to 0.9 at an angle of 2 and B equal to 140 at an angle of 70 degrees. From that, the alpha equal to 2 and beta equal to 70 degrees. Then we are going to find the values of cos of beta minus alpha. The beta minus alpha value is 70 minus 268. So cos 68 equal to 0.3746. Similarly, sine value which is equal to 0.9271. First, we are going to draw the receiving end circle diagram. First, calculate the center point. For that, the horizontal coordinate, otherwise the real power value equal to minus A by B VR phase square into cos of beta minus alpha. A value is 0.9, then B value is 140, phase value 76.2 kV square into cos of beta minus value is 0.3746. From that, we are getting approximated value as minus 14 megawatt. Similarly, vertical coordinate is calculated and substituted all the values, and we are getting vertical coordinate as minus 35 megavar. The first step in a receiving end circle diagram is locate the center point and mark it as O. For that, first take the graph sheet. In x-axis, we are going to take the real power in megawatt, and y-axis we are going to take the reactive power in megawatt. The scale of this sheet is x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 megawatt, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 megawatt. So that in entire graph 1 centimeter equal to 4 MVA. Just mark the values. From that, the real power is we are getting minus 14 megawatt. So 12, 16, so minus 14 is there. Reactive power is we are getting minus 35. So that minus 36 is there. So center point is marked here as minus 14 and minus 35, and center point is marked as O. So in step 2, we are going to calculate the VR and IR values. Substitute the VR value and IR value. We are getting 20 MVA. In our sheet 1 centimeter, which is equal to 4 MVA. So 20 divided by 4 equal to 5 centimeter. First mark the angle 36.8. How we are getting 36.8? Given that the cos phi which is equal to 0.8, from that phi value is going to calculate as 36.8. Then draw the line as the length of the line is 5 centimeter. Then mark the point O. Right. So now you are here. First mark the center point. Then mark the angle 68. The center point is third quadrant, so angle is negative 68. Then draw the line connecting center point to the origin point, right? Then here mark the angle as 36.8. Then draw the line which is equal to 5 centimeter. Check this. So from the center point, draw the line the length of the line is 5 centimeter, and mark the point P, right? Then join the center point and point P, OP, which will give the radius of the circle. From the graph, measure the distance OP, which will give us 13.4 centimeter. It is also the radius of the circle. In this graph, 1 centimeter, which is equal to 4 MVA. So we are getting OP as 53.6 MVA. By checking this, take the graph, measure the distance between point O and point P, which will give approximately 13.3 centimeters. Then the radius formula is OP equal to Vs into Vr divided by P. Vs equal to OB into B divided by Vr. By substituting all these values, we are getting the line voltage equal to 176.6 kV. From the graph, we are going to find the angle between beta minus delta, which is equal to 59. From this, delta equal to beta minus 59. Already we know that beta equal to 70 degrees. So we are getting 11 degrees. How? Kindly check it. First, measure the angle. Measure the angle beta minus delta, which is approximately 59 degrees, right? After measuring the angle, take the O center point and OP as radius, draw the circle.